Next we have a passage type question. What that passage type says, the entries of 2 by 2 matrix from the set 0, 1, the probability of that determinant has 0 value. Okay. You know about anything? You know anything about matrices or not? No. Matrix is a type of arrangement. Okay. Question number 9. We have matrix is a type of arrangement. A, B, C, D, like this it can be arranged. Okay. Let A be that matrix. Why I mentioned 2 by 2 means this should be read as 2 by 2, not 2 cross 2. Okay. Because 2 rows and 2 columns we have. That is why it is written in 2 by 2. Okay. In this, determinant of A is simply multiplication of these two, AD minus multiplication of the other one, BC. Have you seen this before? This AD minus BC has how many choices? Like n of s we are about to write. This A has two choices, 0 or 1. And this has two choices, 0 or 1. Likewise, all things A, B, C, D have two choices, 0 or 1. So, it's similarly like throwing a coin, head or tail. Like 4 coins if you are tossing means total number of outcomes will come like what? 16. That is 2 power 4. Likewise, here 4 things have two alternatives. So, we have n of s is 2 power 4. That is 16. Okay. And you can list out all the things if possible, but 16 outcomes you should write. It would take so much time. So, n of s directly we can calculate. Now, come back to this question in this passage. Question number 9. Probability that the determinant has 0 value. When this determinant will become 0? And when the unit as E1, determinant of A becomes 0. Then this will become 0. That we have to calculate. See, I am writing like this, AD minus BC. This also should be 0, this also should be 0. Likewise, this has two alternatives, right? This is 0, 1, this is 0, 1. Then we may have 0 into 1 it is 0, minus 0 into 1 it is 0. Likewise, the other possibilities. Here 1, 0, here 1, 0. Okay, all the things become 0. That also is possible. And all the things becomes 1. Then also we will get this. Now, this can be shuffled. Here 0, 1, the 1, 0. Or here 1, 0, the 0. Any other possibilities other than this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibilities we have. Any other possibilities we have? No. Think well and answer. 0 should come either way. How come both are same? 1, 0, this is also 1, 0, that we read wrote already. Okay. Then no outcomes. Just think once again. Totally how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any other possibilities? This double 0 possibility, man. Like this is 1, 0, these both are 0. This is 0, 1, these both will be 0. These two will become 0, this is 0, 1. These two will become 0, this is 1, 0. So totally how many possibilities? Other than this, nothing will come there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 possibilities are there. So we have our n of e1, it is 10, and the p of e1, it is n of e1 by n of s. That means number of possible, number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Okay, so that is 10 by 16. We have 5 by 8 as the option. That is in option D. Okay. Next question. In the same passage, the probability that the determinant value is non-zero. Now see, totally there are 16 outcomes, among which 10 it will get 0. Then the remaining obviously it is 0 or non-zero. Non-zero means apart from 0. Okay. So question number 10, I am naming the event as E4. Determinant is non-zero. So we have n of E2 as this 16 minus 10, that is 6, and we have P of E2 as 6 by 16. We have the answer 3 by 8. Any doubts on this? So far in this concept we haven't studied about the thing called complement events. That is why I am working out like this. Okay. The next concept we will study about this complement events. By this time this would be very easy. So now next 11th question. The probability that the determinant value is non-negative. Non-negative means what? It should not be negative. Positive. Okay. So non-negative is different, positive is different. Because when they say non-negative, 0 also will be included. Because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay. So all the 10 outcomes will come. Okay. In that we should find another set of outcomes which will give it is non-negative. That means positive. When it will get positive, these both are 1 minus these two are 0. So first I have to name the event. Sorry, E3. The event is determinant of A is non-negative. So either this is 1 1, that is 1 0. Either this is 1 1, that is 0 1. Which means whatever I mentioned here, this is 1 into 0. 0 into 1 is AD minus BC, that form. Okay. So this 3 along with the 0 will come, right? 0 also non-negative. So 3 plus 10, we have how many outcomes favorable to this event? 13. And we have probability of E3, that is 13 by 16, which is in the option B. Okay. Any doubts in this? Have you written this along with me? That is okay. It is quite a complicated question because you have studied about matrices. You better write all this. Okay. Then we'll move on to next question. Okay. Make it fast. Write fast.